The future is here. This is a smart house. Now, don't be overwhelmed and don't be scared, be excited. Because I think in the next few minutes, I can make your life easier. The sensor in the door has informed the house of my arrival. The security system relaxes, the curtains open, the lighting and the sound go to my ideal settings, the temperature already spot on, and the kettle is even on for a cup of tea. Just by opening the front door, the smart devices in this house have replaced, in this example, 8 everyday mundane actions. Turning on the lamp, turning on the lights, opening the blinds, even switching on the kettle. This house has made my life easier. And you know what? It's the same system that has fixed that dreaded problem, getting out of bed in the morning. Now, with the opening of one door, or speaking one command, or with the press of one button, you can get things done. So how do you get your home to be a smart home? It's easy. Grid Connect. Grid Connect. It isn't a box or a device, it's an ecosystem. It's a space where smart devices work together. At the most basic entry, I have no idea about electronics level, get a socket plug like this from Bunnings. Plug it in with your conventional or traditional appliance, pair it to the Grid Connect app, and it's ready to go. There are smart bulbs, smart heaters, smart security cameras, smart door locks, smart power boards, and smart TVs. They're getting smarter all the time. Hey Google, movie time. Lights are dimming, blinds are coming down, TV's come on, so's the sound system. Oh, I need a smart popcorn machine. There are new smart devices becoming available almost every day. When you add a new smart device to your home smart home, find it, name it in the Grid Connect app, and it's ready to go. Oh, sorry. I've just got a delivery coming, and I don't want it left outside because it's pretty bad weather. So, can you excuse me for 1 minute? Hi, yeah. Would you mind just putting it inside the door for me? Thanks very much. Okay, so I turn off the alarm, unlock the front door, watch him deliver the package. He exits. I lock the door behind him, and then alarm goes back on. And I can do this from anywhere in the world. If it has the green line on the box, it's Grid Connect, which means it's as easy as download, pair, use. Look, you might have some smart devices in your home already, and I'm guessing that you're jumping between different apps and, navigating through different user interfaces just so you can trigger each of those devices. Well, that's not very smart, is it? Grid Connect is across multiple brands and multiple categories. All of the devices talk to each other. So everything can be in one place as it should be. And you need to be smart to allow your home to be smart. Just remember, if the power's off at the switch, then the power is off at the switch. And so that smart device just will not respond. Some things will need to be always on. That's a lot to take in, I know. But the home of the future is here. You've just got to drop into Bunnings and start living it. Pretty soon you could be enjoying your own home smart home. Okay, Google, that's the end.